Hi everyone, I am Dhruv Rathan. In this video, me and my team members will be giving you a glimpse into our exciting low-level design system design Java project, an online book reader system. This system is designed to provide users with a seamless interface for reading books online, managing their personal libraries, and customizing their reading preferences. So, the problem statement is the online book reader system. It aims to replicate the functionality of a digital library. It allows users to browse through books and select their favorites and read them with a personalized display. So, in this video, we will walk you through the classes we have created to complete this low level design. So, one of the most important classes is display class. Let's start with the display class. The display class is responsible for how the book is visually represented to the user. It manages attributes like theme, font size, and current page that is being read. The key features of the display class are theme and font size. Users can customize a theme, yes, using set theme, the reading theme and font size for a comfortable reading experience. So as we can see, the font size and set theme and page navigation. This class allows turning pages forward or backward while ensuring the user doesn't go below page 1. So turn page forward class ensures to turn forward and backward turns backward. And settings display. Users can view their current display settings including theme, font size, current place. And for that we have written a function displays current settings method. Mm, So we have used this or here display is equal to new display of theme light theme and font size equals 12. So now coming to library class. This class is the backbone of the system as it manages the collection of books available in the library. Key features of the library class are add books. The add books function. This class allows adding books to the library collections and list books. It provides the way to view all the books, including their ID, title, and author. Mm, Get books. Get books returns the list of books for further use in other components. So as we can see, we have created an object of library and we've added books, new book with book ID, title, author, category, total pages, and the rating. So the remaining classes will be explained by my teammates.
Let's see the functionality of the user class. Firstly, you have to import the package that is java.util. With the help of the command import java.util.star, here star represents all the util classes are providing. Firstly, we have to declare the user class. Under the user class, we have to declare the instance variables such as name, user ID, theme, is membership active, ratings, font size, reading history, and these all instance variables are restricted by the access modifier that is private, and the constructor initializes the user object which provides user ID, name, theme, and we use this keyword which is used to create the instance of the current object. And for is membership active, by default is set to true, and for font size by default it is set to 12, and for reading history by default it is set to an empty hash set. This empty hash set is used to store the unique strings based upon the users. These all are getter methods. So the get name is used to return the username, and the get user ID is used to return the unique ID of the user, and the get theme is used to return the preferred theme by the user. This is the setter method. Using this, all the user details are retrieved in this set. This is the entire functionality of the user class. Um, Now let us see the functionality of the user manager class. In this also, firstly we have to declare the user manager class. Under this, we declare the users and initialize it with the empty list, and we declare the user manager constructor. Under this constructor, we declare users with a new empty array list. This empty array list is used to provide a dynamic resizing feature. With the help of add user method, we can easily add the new users to the list. And with the help of get users, it is used to return the specific users, and it gives the details about the user such as user ID, name, team. This is the functionality of the user manager. Now let us see the functionality of book. In this also, firstly we have to declare the book class, then declare the instance variables such as title, author, book ID, content, category, total pages, current pages, rating. These all are restricted by the private access modifier. And the constructor book mm, creates and initializes, and it provides the information like book ID, title, author, and so on. And we use this constructor to create the instance of the current objects. And with the help of get title, it returns title of the book, and with the help of get author, it returns the author of the book. With the help of get book ID, it returns the unique book ID. With the help of get category, it returns the category of the book. With the help of get ratings, it returns the ratings of the book. These all are getter methods. After the getter methods, with the help of turn page forward, we should turn the page using this condition, that is, if the current page less than total page, then we can increment the current page. Then we can return the current page with the help of the get current page. So this is the functionality of the book class. Now coming to the bookmark class. In this also we have to declare the bookmark class first. Then we have to declare some instance variables like user ID, book ID, page number, note. These all are restricted by the private access modifier. And the bookmark is a constructor which is used to create the bookmark object, and it provides the information like user ID, book ID, page number, and note. Note is in the string data type. Um, we use this keyword to create the instance of the object. We all know that. So for the user ID, we should create the instance of user ID. For book ID, we should create the instance of the book ID, and same as like page number and note also. With the help of the bookmark, we use it is the method display bookmark is used to retrieve the details about the user, that is user ID, book ID, page, and note. So this is about the functionality of the bookmark. So remaining class functionalities are explained by my teammate.
Now let's get into the remaining functionalities. In this recommendation system, first we have imported the necessary packages in the Java. This class mainly contains of two main methods, recommend top rated books and then recommend books based on user history. The first method will recommend the books based on the reviews given by the users, and the second one is based on the user history. The first method will take library as argument. In this library.getBooks of method, we'll get the books from the library which are available, and then sort these books basis on the rating given by the users in the descending order. By using the for each loop, we will display the top books. And then the second function based on the user history. To get the history, we are using the user.getReadingHistory method from the user class. So by using the for each loop, basis on the condition, we are giving the we are recommending the books based on the user history. This is the main functionality. Next class is about the review manager. It will manages the reviews which are given by the user. In this first, we are importing the main necessary packages. And this here in the review manager, first we are initializing the variables like username, book title, review text, and then rating. And then we are here initializing a constructor called review with parameters like username, book title, review text, and then rating. So here, what are these are the variables, and then the data will be stored in these variables. What is the data given by the user will be override by using the string method to display all the data which is given by the user, like user, book, review, and rating. So here, this list will initialize here, and then this review list will contains all the data which is given by the user. So here review is the object is created like this. In the add review method, we are adding the review to the list based on rating and using the try catch block or validation. The review what we are added here, those will be displayed by using the display reviews here. If the reviews are empty means we will display as no reviews found. Otherwise, by using the for each loop, we will display here. Okay, now let's see the main function, which is the main brain of this project. So here we imported the all the main necessary packages like array list, and then scanner for taking the input from the user. So in the main class, we had created the objects for each and every class which is present in this project, like library, user manager, recommendation system, review manager, and display. These are the classes which are explained previously by our friends and teammates. So here we had initialized the array here. So by using the add book of method in the library, we are just for the namesake we are taking the three books as examples. By using the user manager class and the add user, here we are adding the users to the user manager class. These are the users. So by using the scanner, we know that we will take the input from the user. In the do while loop, we are giving the main menu up to the 9 types of methods and functionalities which are there in our project, like list users, list books, recommend top rated books, add a book review, display all reviews, adjust display settings, add a bookmark, display all bookmarks, and then exit. So whenever the user enters his or her choice, based on this switch statement will be executed. If it is case one, means whenever the user enters the one, that means here all the users will be displayed, those in the user manager by using the user manager list users. And the second one is about list books. That means in the library, we are using the list books of method to display all the books which are available in the library. And then third one is recommend top rated books. As we earlier discussed about the recommendation system. So here from the recommended class, we are taking the recommend top rated books from the library. And then fourth one is about add a book review, means we are adding a review for a book. So by taking these as the parameters, name, title, review, and then rating. So by using the try catch block, we are adding review. And then after that we have to display reviews. By using the display reviews method, we will able to display all the reviews which are given by the user, and those are stored in the list. And then in the case 6, we have to change the display. That means we will have able to change theme and then change font size also. So whenever the user enters change theme, so it will change to light or dark. Otherwise, it will change the font size. If it is 7, that means we are adding a bookmark based on the user and then book ID for a page number and some important notes about that bookmark. After that, bookmark added successfully will be displayed in the console. So then we have to display the bookmarks. So we are using the 8th option. So if there are bookmarks in the list, there will be output as bookmarks. Otherwise, it will display as no bookmarks found. We are here displaying the bookmarks using the display bookmark from the bookmark class. And then the ninth one is exit. If any of the not these options are completed our functions, then we will press the 9. And then the default, if the user choice is not in between the 1 to 9, then we will print as invalid choice. Please try again. So this is the while loop. And then after all the completion of all the inputs from the user, so we will close the scanner. So let's run this. So here these are the main functionalities. So let's see. It will display all the users. Then the second one will display all the top rated books and which are available. List of books available in the library. So by entering our choice 3 as we will get the top rated books, we will have to add our name. Let's like clean coding. And my review is this is a very good book. Like this. So my rating is 4.5. So then review is added and displayed like this. So let's display the review. So this is the review given by me now. And then adjust the display settings. So I want to change theme right now. So light. So it will display the current display settings. I want to change font right now. I want to initialize as 18. So these are the current display settings right now. Now I want to add a bookmark, so I have to choose option 7. My user ID is somewhat like 101 and book ID like second book. So page number 345. I want to make this is a very important topic. So bookmark added successfully. When we want to see the bookmarks added by us, so we have to enter the choices 8. So this is the bookmark entered by us. So these are the main functionalities. After that, we have to exit. So like this, our all the code will execute. There are so many functionalities. These are the main functionalities in our project.